Traders, this is Matt with newbietrader.com, and this is our daily wrap-up video for Wednesday, January 14th, 2015. A lot of trading going on. It was a little lower win percentage than what we would typically see. We ended up with 32 trades today. 14 of them were losers, but we had a nice group of runners that were worth a little higher average than normal. So we ended up a great day, even though our loss percentage was a little atypical. $1,250 for the day. Started off the pre-market, we had just a real nice series of runs, and after these first 5 trades of the morning, we were already up over 1,000 days before the market even opened. So we had a nice push to the downside, and then we kind of traded sideways into the open, basically 180 win, 120 loss there. On the open, we made a slow grind higher, and every time we started getting a little momentum, we just kind of would give back a little bit. And so you can see there's a $160 loss, a little scratch trade, little push going into the 10 o'clock reversal time for $220. And then the market pulled back. You can see there was 2 losses there, kind of back to back with a little scratch trade in between. And then the market just kind of got in a sideways chop until the lunchtime dead zone. There was a lot of just back and forth chop movement. And then in the lunchtime dead zone, the market actually sold off a little bit. And we got a little bit of a run to the downside until 1:30, and at 1:30 we ended up starting to climb again. So from 1:30 all the way up until about 2:30, you can see we had some nice trades there. We had 340, 90, 170, 130. From the 2:30 time frame to the 3 o'clock time frame, you can see we made a slight pullback, just a scratch trade there. Then we did a resumption of trend from 3 to 3:30. And at 3:30 we kind of peaked out for the day, and then we got into a sideways chop for the rest of the day and ended up giving back a little bit of our profits there as we headed into the 4 o'clock hour. But all in all, it was still a great day. Stick with the basic 5-step program, $1,250. If you have any questions or you'd like to learn more about what we are doing here, go to newbie-trader.com/Russell. Thanks, and make it a great day.